Ever felt lost in the GTM labyrinth? Debugger not showing, frustration city. Let's crack the code on why GTM's preview mode might ghost you. First, fire up your GTM workspace and hit that preview button. It looks like a tiny ship. After turning preview mode on, you'll mosey on over to your website to see the debug console. If it's Mia, we've likely got a connection problem. Let's start with the easy wins. Is that container code snug in your website's code? Make sure the GTM container code is correctly installed in your website's head and body tags. Double check those triggers. Are they correctly defined? Check all your tags. Do they have triggers? No triggers mean no data firing and nothing in the debug console. Glance at the trigger column in your tag overview. Cookie settings and privacy extensions can be major party poopers. Cookie banners. Make sure you accept those cookies when testing any browser extensions. Try disabling them temporarily and then try preview mode again. Lastly, tap into your browser's superpowers. With the developer tools, right-click on the page and select Inspect. Peek at the console tab for any error messages that could be the culprit. Troubleshooting these issues will enhance your analytics and improve the insights you gain. By following these steps, you can quickly resuscitate your debugger and maximize your Google Tag Manager implementation.